Good morning, it's Miss Patty. I was thinking I was going to make my breakfast and I wanted to share with you exactly how you can do this because these are delicious. They're little banana pancakes, easy peasy. I took one banana because we had a lot of bananas at my house that needed to be eaten. So I took one that was really starting to get a little bit soft and I put it in a little bowl and I mushed it all around with my fork, just like this. Ask your parents, ask your grandparents. Just one little banana in a little bowl and with a fork, squish it all around. Nice and soft. Okay, then you take an egg. I have a brown egg, that's right. You can use a white egg. And look what I'm gonna do. I'm going to add this egg right to my squishy banana. There you go. Yeah, maybe mom will do it, or dad, or maybe you'll do it. Let's see. Nice. Squish it all around. I'm beating it all together. Can you see that? After it's all squished together and it's all one, then I'm going to put a little bit of spray in my small frying pan, and then I'm going to put it on the stove and make a little pancake. So here's my little fry pan, and like I said, talk to your parents about doing this. They'll help you. A little bit of spray in the bottom of my pan, and I pour my egg and my banana. Remember my squishy banana? It's gonna be amazing. So easy. Okay, so there it is, cooking, almost done. 1 minute. Okay, my friends, so here it is. It was just one egg and one squished banana, or smashed banana, mixed together, cooked up to make a little pancake. So now, Miss Patty's favorite thing is I put some cut up strawberries, nice fruit, and I love blueberries. Do you? I know, right? They're amazing. Some blueberries. And then I love just a little bit of powdered sugar, if you want. Makes it look pretty. And then this is agave. It's kind of like a honey. Just a tiny little bit, back and forth like this. Just a tiny little bit. There you go, my friends. Breakfast is served. All right, so, I don't know, we'll call this Miss Patty's famous egg banana pancake with fruit. You can try it for cooking week. All right, my friends, before you eat this, don't forget, say your prayers. Have a beautiful day.